Uncle,
What is it?
I go beat Samuel.
Correct yourself, my friend.
I gonna defeat Samuel.
What are you speaking? What did Samuel do?
They find my trouble.
Chibuike, correct yourself.
He's find my trouble.
How did Samuel look for your trouble, Chibuike?
He's cursing me.
What did he say to you?
He's calling me amiable. I'm on my own now. He said, Chibuike, you're amiable. Are you mad?
But amiable is not an insult. It means having or displaying a friendly or pleasant manner. Yes.
I don't know.
Now you know.
Thank you, sir.
Come back here.
Sir?
Have you finished your classwork?
Is it what I'm doing before Samuel now call me amiable?
I was marking your notes and I was not happy. What is 4 minus 1, Chibuike?
4 minus 1.
Yes.
5.
Are you alright?
Okay, minus 1. 41.
Keep quiet. Let me make it easy. If there are 4 beds sitting on a wall and one of the beds was shot dead, how many is left?
There are 4 beds.
Yes.
You now shoot 1.
Yes.
No bed will remain.
Chibuike, answer that question now. Don't provoke me.
Sir, no bed will remain. There are 4 beds. They now shoot 1 bed. The rest will fly away and they will run.
Chibuike, answer this question now. It's just an example. Answer this question.
Sir, no, now you see that say if there are 4 beds, they now shoot 1. All the bed will fly. No bed will remain.
Chibuike, if you don't answer this question now, you will repeat this class.
Uncle, no bed will remain. There's no bed will remain. Except the bed will not have sense. No bed will remain.